Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python No Spill Clean and Fill Tutorial. Introduction. The Python No Spill Clean and Fill system is a convenient solution for aquarium enthusiasts to perform water changes in a hassle-free manner. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a Python script to automate the aquarium water change using the No Spill Clean and Fill system. We'll cover the basics of interacting with hardware and demonstrate how to control the water flow. Requirements. Hardware setup. Code example. Note: this example demonstrates a simple script to control the inlet and outlet of the Python No Spill Clean and Fill system using GPIO. Customize the script based on your specific requirements and hardware configuration. ChatGPT.